under no circumstances. In 1979, 1978, I met a young man in Los Angeles, Kwekuando, the ethnobotanist. I said, what are you studying? Chinese medicine. I said, you look Chinese. He died. I met another black man in Chicago, Dr. Sidney. What are you studying? I'm studying homeopathy. You look like a British. That's Heinemann. He died. I saw Dr. Kite, who was responsible for me getting the place in New York. Dr. Kite was that kind. I asked him, what are you studying? He said, the Ayurvedic. But the Ayurvedic offers cream of cow milk. It offers curry, which is polymers. That's bad. Don't you know the 1/3 of world dialysis are Indian, Dr. Kite? Man, what kind of nonsense are you talking about, JB? I say it is nonsense. 1/3 of the world dialysis patients are Indian because they eat curry. And curry is made up of polymers. What are polymers? Turmeric, paprika, and cumin. There aren't any plants that produces cumin and turmeric and paprika. They're laboratory products. They're gonna hurt you. They're gonna injure you. But the Indian doesn't know that. And Dr. Kite had no idea. He wound up with a dialysis machine and died. What do I represent? The African bio-mineral balance.